2019 Lexus NX. Front doors have some sort of coating on it, which if you run your blade to the glass, it will scratch the glass. As you can see here, this coating can be removed. And this is what comes out. Some yellow, gooey stuff. See this? This is what's coming out of the actual glass. Lexus doesn't know what this is, but in the window tinting industry is causing quite a bit of a problem, because if you simply just run your blade like this, you're going to scratch this coating, which can be removed. And just make sure that when you do remove it, you use fresh blades. Use at least 4 or 5 blades throughout the whole process to ensure that your blade stays sharp and you minimize the chances of possibly scratching the glasses, which is what the problem was to begin with. Again, this is Jamie. We're in Champion Tint, Coral Springs, Florida, authorized 3M dealer, and we're removing the coating off of the Lexus NX. Be very cautious. This glass is very expensive, so do not replace it. It can be removed.